Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Whirlpool washer front load not draining. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue? So in this case, there are going to be a few steps I need to do for you to fix this. So first is you need to clean the pump filter. So first, remove the dispenser drawer from the bottom of the front panel. Prepare to catch any water left in the washer. Unscrew the filter, rinse it thoroughly, and then screw it back in. Put the dispenser drawer back in place. Next, you want to do is you want to check the drain hose connection. Ensure the hose is connected properly to the standpipe. The hose should not extend more than 11 cm into the standpipe. The connection should be secure but not airtight. Now, you need to adjust the standpipe height. Install the standpipe at least 76 cm from the washer's base. Ensure it's not too high to prevent any backflow. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.